Hello friends. Now let us take up the concept number 16, 5.16, formatting output in a specified width. Many times in our programming, we need to print a value. Value means it may be a string, it may be an integer value, or it may be a floating point value. Within a specified width, with the right justification or left justification. In this concept, let us learn the technique. Actually, now I introduce three types of elements. First, let us take a string. Now, I declared a string name Arun. Now, you know that print. What is the conversion specifier for string? Yes. Here, percentage name. This is the syntax we write. As a result of that, what happens? Arun is printed. But you want to print them with a different width. We cannot do anything here. So, we have to learn new elements. How it is required, where it is required also you must learn. Suppose you are writing names like a list like this. This is the thing. So, here you want to give spaces. In such cases, if you write like that, these are all printed sequentially. These gaps will not be created. That gap, actually whatever you want, that much gap should be created between the columns. So, for this purpose, we have to learn certain new elements that I would like to introduce to you. For that purpose, what we have to use width W. It is represented by W. Actually, it is width. So, in a specified width, we want to print this name that I will show you. Width always an integer value. That point you have to remember, and now you see that print percentage 9 yes percentage name I have written. What is the meaning of this? 9 spaces are to be allocated, totally 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 spaces as a result of width. This is a width specifier. 9 spaces are allocated. And what we want to write? We want to write a string. How many characters are there in the string? 4 characters are there. By default, these 4 characters are printed with the right justification. Right justification means this, from right to left, those are printed. Then you see Arun. So, left side 5 blank spaces are created. Here 9. Suppose if I write this one 7, then what happens? 7 spaces are created, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the actual name is printed with the right justification, and 3 blank spaces are left. And I have changed it to 5. Then what happens? 5 spaces are created, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then Arun, then 1 blank space. You may suppose if it is printed to 4 spaces, you need not specify anything, because obviously the number of characters are 4. So, you need not specify anything. If you write 4 also, there is no additional benefit. But in this situation, you may get a doubt. If I write 2, if I write 2, what will happen? That means, what do you mean? I allocate 2 spaces, my width is 2. In that, 4 characters should be printed. It is not possible. Actually, because of formation, data never be sacrificed. That's why simply the print ignores this. That means it considers 4 or above. 4 also is by default. So, in this case 5 or above, it takes into consideration. If it is below 4, simply it ignores, and what happens? The 4 Arun is printed. This point always remember. This principle is always applicable for not only strings, all data types. Because of this width specifier, the data never be discounted. That point you remember. It may be int, it may be float, or it may be string. Okay. So if you have to introduce one width specifier here, that should be greater than the number of characters in the data. That point you understand. Thereafter, with reference to integer also, I explain. Now you see age 23. Now, for writing this, what should I write? Print %d %age. In a previous concept, I have written literals. Because of that, you may feel that here we have to write literals only. You may write literals, or you may write variables also. There is no difference between them. Now you see, as a result of that, simply what happens? 23 is printed. But you cannot organize it with a specific number of spaces. Now you see, print %6d %age have written. What do I mean? Here two digits are there. Then what I mean is 6 spaces are to be allocated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number should be printed with a right justification. 2, 3. Here 4 blank spaces are there. Okay. Then if I write 4, then what happens? 4 spaces are allocated. The number is printed with the right justification. Suppose if I write 1, then actually what do I mean? 1 space is allocated. In that 2 digits are printed. It is not possible, and simply print ignores this width specifier, and 23 is printed as it is. This point you have to understand. Thereafter, one float also I show you, 5.3. Then here you see, otherwise 5.34, much accurately we put. Then print %. Here not only width, this also you have to specify. Then what you write? Suppose for this I am writing 9 1 f. F, you know, it represents floating point. Then what is that? %height I am writing. What do I mean? 9 spaces are to be allocated. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And the number is printed with the right justification, and precision. 1, actually 2 are there. I want to limit it to 1. Then here 3 is printed. So how it is printed? 5.3. 5.3 is printed with the right justification. These are the blanks. Okay. Suppose this is 5. Then what happens? Then it takes into consideration and rounds it off. Then it will be 4. Later we learn this concept. Okay. As far as floating point is concerned, not only width, precision also will come. One thing already I told you, width cannot control the number of digits, but precision controls the number of digits. So, here you see two digits are there, you have written 1, as a result of that 1 is printed, it is always rounded off. That point you have to remember. In this manner, we can format within a width. So far, I explained about right justification, and it can be made as left justification by inserting minus. By inserting minus in this code before width specifier. Now, that also I show you. Now, print percentage 9 yes name with reference to same example only Arun. Now, what do I mean? 9 spaces are to be allocated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and earlier what I explained, 9 spaces are to be allocated. Arun, the name Arun is printed from the right justification. Because of this minus, left justification happens, Arun. So, here 5 spaces are left. The same principle is applicable for integer also. Now, that also you see percentage minus 8 yes, the here D is yes. Now, as a result of that, what do you mean? 8 spaces are to be allocated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 spaces, and the age is 23, that is printed with a left justification. Here 6 spaces are blank. The same principle is applicable for float also. Float also, that you see percentage minus 8 f percentage height. Now, let us assume same example 5.34. Then what happens? 8 spaces are to be allocated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 spaces are to be allocated, and the number is printed with a left justification. Here 8.1 I am making, that is why 1 digit only taken, and 5.3 is printed with left justification. This is the way you can print any data within the specified width, either with a right justification or a left justification according to your requirements of the program.